Okay, today we're going to be putting down cove base. So what you need to put down cove base is you need a sharp knife. Heat your cove base. This is a 4-inch cove base we're using here, 4-inch vinyl cove base. You need a cove base gun, which is like a big caulk gun, and you need a tip for your cove base. Okay, first thing we're going to do is we're going to screw this top from the gun, from the tube. Cut it off. Alright. Put a tip on it. So it's a little messy because we've been putting down cove base all day. There. Okay. Now, of course, when you're just doing a straight piece, you're going to take your gun and it's going to shoot out 3 rows of cove base adhesive. You want to get the top one about a 1/4 inch underneath the top so that you have the top of the cove base gets adhered to the wall nicely. Release it. Find you another piece and just stick it on top so it don't get on the floor. Maybe like this. Put it on your wall. Make sure it's nice and straight. So it's just touching the floor. And this space underneath it, rub it on really good. Okay. Now, it's a little bit harder. There's your outside corners. Now we got a piece butted up against the corner there, so we're going to just take a little bit off a little 90-degree angle in the corner of that cove base so it makes a corner. We're going to butt it up against this piece. Cut a little bit off of this one too. If these walls were nice and square, it would butt up really nicely, but since they're not, we're going to have to cut a slight angle in it. Cut it at a slight angle so it's going to butt up against the other piece. There you go. Okay, so now what we're going to do is we're going to cut a piece for the outside corner. Now just butt it up against here. Take our cove base, push it up against here. It's going to make a faint line on the back of the cove base. And what we're going to do is we're going to take our knife cut into the cove base, making sure that we don't cut all the way through. It takes a little bit to get used to this. You want to cut out as much as you can. Not cutting all the way through. The more you cut out, cutting all the way through, the more the cove base will go flush around the corner. We'll take our cove base, put a little crease in it. Across here. Now we come to an inside corner. So what we do is the inside corner is we're going to bend it and kind of mark where the exact corner is. Okay, I'm going to fold it back like this. I'm going to take our knife and just make one real light score on it. Okay, then we'll take our knife and slit it right there at the bottom of our score on the lip. Cut out a little 90-degree angle there. Make a nice corner. Check it. Make sure it all fits good. Looks like it fits pretty good. Take our code base gun. On our code base, like I said, about a 1/4 inch from the top. You don't want it too close because you don't want the code base adhesive to come out the top of the code base. You don't want it too far because you want the top of the code base to stay flush with the wall. Get it ready to mix it in. I'm going to go ahead and stick it up. Alright, so that's pretty much how you install code base. Thanks, and have fun with your floors.